how to log in onto your Klook account on your iPhone. First, you want to open the Klook application, open the app, and you want to allow all the permission that the app is asking. Tap on allow, and here you want to select your country or your region. Click on any one of these options according to your preference. After that, you'll be able to use the application from here. If you want to log in into your account, you can simply tap on this account option over here and tap on login or sign up. After that, you'll be able to see all these options for login. If you want to continue with your Google account, your phone number, your email, or with your Apple account, you can do so over here by tapping on one of these options over here. To log in into your account, simply tap on email, type it out your email address over here, and tap on send verification code. And after you have typed in your verification code, you'll be able to log in into your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.